Hey guys, I'm Madeline and I do social media here at Youth to the People, and I'm gonna walk you through my skincare routine using our new Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. So my first step, morning and night, is to use our superfood cleanser, which I love for taking off makeup, dirt, and anything else that's been on my skin. My second step is to use our Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. I love putting this oil on clean skin. It's so light and absorbs quickly without leaving heaviness or residue behind, so it's perfect under makeup and it gives my skin the antioxidant boost that it needs. I also love using this oil as a treatment before bed. It's packed with vitamins and omega fatty acids, so it's really nourishing and I wake up with glowing, gorgeous skin. You can also take a little oil and pat it right on top of your makeup for a midday pick-me-up, and you'll be glowing all day long. Those are a few of my favorite ways to wear our new Superberry Hydrate and Glow Oil. I hope you guys love it as much as I do.